Presenting the HP DeskJet 2131 all-in-one inkjet color printer. The printer is ideal for occasional home and small office requiring less than 100 pages per month. Its compact design helps you save space on your desk. This printer uses advanced inkjet technology to produce high-quality prints. This all-in-one printer can perform print, scan and copy functions. It can print in color and black and white. Connect to this printer using the USB cable. You get a printing speed of up to 7.5 black and white pages or 5.5 color pages per minute. The printer also supports multiple paper sizes to help you with your various print requirements. Get printing costs of 4.8 rupees for black and white prints and 6.6 rupees for color prints. The compatible ink cartridge for this printer is HP 803 tricolor and black ink cartridge. 1 unit each of both these cartridges come free with this printer. This product comes with 1-year brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.